Hello, welcome to a Rocket Dollar quick presentation about how to use our knowledge base. The knowledge base is derived from the many frequently asked questions that investors, customers, and partners have asked previously. It is a tool to learn about self-directed IRAs, self-directed solo 401ks, alternative investments, and basics of retirement accounts. It is our version of a living, breathing database of questions we receive on a daily basis as we have a library of 200 articles. As new questions and challenges arise, we continue to collect and revise information as it's available to us. To access, hover your mouse over the Learn drop-down from our homepage to click on Knowledge Base, which will take you to the landing page at learn.rocketdollar.com. When you arrive at the landing page for the knowledge base, you will see a search bar as well as some promoted articles at the bottom of the page. These are curated by Rocket Dollar professionals on trending topics. Feel free to navigate through the categories and sidebar or type a keyword directly into the search box. Make sure your spelling of the desired keyword is correct to find the topic you are looking for. A very popular search is real estate, which will provide a multitude of articles all about using a self-directed IRA for real estate investment purposes. Information on investments and other alternative assets is available as well through a keyword search. In our promoted articles, you will find some of our most read and important articles. Here we have a questionnaire that will help you determine what investments are allowed in an IRA according to prohibited transaction rules to the bottom left of your screen. If you are new to self-directed investment, a quick read through our knowledge base can help be prepared and avoid headaches in the future. The sidebar on the left will break down articles by topic. We have categories on the most popular FAQs to understand self-directed IRAs and unique things to know about crypto, real estate, or your favorite alternative investments inside of an IRA. If you're only interested in a Roth IRA or a solo 401k, you can find a dedicated section for that specific retirement account. We also have a dedicated section for Roth IRA questions, as well as a detailed article about Roth conversions. Or how about maximizing your solo 401k? If you look to the right, you'll be able to jump through specific chapters of the article by clicking on the links. Most articles are meant for prospective customers to learn more about how IRAs interact with their favorite asset class, but there are plenty of articles for any investor seeking information. Our support section goes over key details about account opening steps, timelines, self-service, as well as how to contact our support team. If there's anything ever missing from our knowledge base, don't hesitate to ask or make a suggestion by emailing us at info@rocketdollar.com. That's info@rocketdollar.com.